In this video, I will show you how to activate and use your LinkedIn Learning account. Begin by going to the Research Medical Library website. The URL is mdanderson.org/library. Scroll down until you see Search the Library. In the search box, type in LinkedIn and press Enter. At the top of the page, you will see Suggested Resources. It has the link to LinkedIn Learning as well as instructions. To activate my account, I'm going to copy and paste this URL here and put it into a new tab. You'll need to type in your mdanderson.org email address in this box and then click Verify Email. You'll receive an activation email. Once you get your activation email, I recommend connecting your account to any existing LinkedIn accounts. This will allow any LinkedIn Learning certifications to then show up on your LinkedIn profile. Since I already have my LinkedIn Learning account, I'm going to click on the icon above and type in my email address. And then my password. This is what the LinkedIn Learning homepage will look like. It's already showing top picks for me based on previous courses I've already completed. If we scroll down, we see this week's top courses. To search for a specific skill or subject, you can look up at the top with the search box. There are soft skills such as becoming a better leader or working on your speaking skills, as well as more technical ones, such as I might be interested in learning about HTML, so I'm going to type that in here. And I'm going to click on this first option that has 41 course results. This first one looks interesting to me, so I'm going to click on the title of the course. I'm going to press pause before it begins. So maybe I'm just interested in learning about this second section, formatting text. I can click here or click on the specific section that I am interested in learning about. However, if I want the certification at the end of the course, I need to go through each section and complete every single subset. At the top where we see My Learning with an open book icon, if we click here, it's going to show anything that I have in progress. But if I forgot that I completed that HTML course and I want to then have that show up in my LinkedIn profile, I can go into Learning History. And let's scroll down to, if I want leading a customer-centric culture to show up, I can click on the ... button, the ellipses, and choose Add to Profile, the second option here. We are more interested in this first option than the second one, where it is Share With, and it says just finish the course. This is more of a Facebook post where it's going to get lost in the feed and the posts. So I'm going to uncheck this option because we want it to be permanent. And this is now going to be forever placed under licenses and certifications in my LinkedIn profile. So I am going to leave this one checked and then choose Add to Profile, where once I click here, it now shows up at the bottom, course added. I can then click View Profile to see where it is. If you have any questions regarding LinkedIn Learning, please reach out to the library in the following ways. You can book a consultation, text the library, chat with a librarian, or email the library at rml-help@mdanderson.org.